If you're looking for palm tree service near me or palm tree maintenance in Savannah, Georgia, Georgia Tree Solutions can help you. Get a free quote today. Call 912-330-2883. We are proud to be the top Savannah, Georgia palm tree specialists with a crane and local palm tree pruning service in the Savannah, Georgia area. And we pride ourselves on having over 80 5-star Google reviews. We are reliable, professional, and affordable. Whether you have a dangerous palm tree over your home or a large palm tree, we can safely remove it from your property. Our tree company uses a crane to safely remove large and dangerous palm trees in the Savannah, Georgia area. We are a fully insured and licensed Savannah, Georgia palm trimming company. We have lots of experience in removing large palm trees and stumps. Contact us now for a free quote and let our professionals at Georgia Tree Solutions come by and look at your palm trees. We can safely remove palm trees from your property. Please call us at 912-330-2883 for a free quote, or visit us online at savannahgetreeservice.com. We have crews working in the Savannah, Georgia area today. If you're searching online for palm tree service near me in Savannah, Georgia, palm tree maintenance near me,